to the wood. You know, having a long rod like this is nice because you can really work the fish. And rainbows are notorious for head shaking. Look at this, such a gorgeous fish. You know, a lot of people that fish rainbows and that use spawn sacks and even single legs don't realize that using little jigs can work really, really well. And this fish has got such nice color. I'm going to show you. It's got tons of fight left into it. Now the nice thing about these fly jigs is that you can use them with a fly rod, or you can also fish them with a steelhead rod like I am right now. I'm just going to get this fish in the shallow water and hopefully it won't get wet. Look at the colors on this rainbow. I mean, this is a classic rainbow trout. So I'm going to see if I can just flip it over first so you can see that fly just in the side of the mouth. Actually, I'm going to wet it so that you can see how lifelike it looks. And it's a small streamer on a weighted hook. Now that rainbow should stay in the net there for a minute because he's in the water. You can see how lifelike that marabou with a little bit of crystal flash looks. So dry, it doesn't look like much, but look at that. Doesn't that look gorgeous? So that's amazing that a fly that simple can work so well. And like I say, look at it. It looks like nothing. It looks like a little strip of hair, but when it's wet, it's so lifelike. Okay, I'm going to get that fish back in the water, and it should swim right out there. Look at, beautiful.